Excuse me, ma'am, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah, sure.
Would you like to learn how you could be more scoot safe on your scooter?
Definitely.
Well, for starters, best way to think about riding a scooter is think about when you're driving a car. You want to follow the same exact rules on a scooter that you would on the road. So for example, you want to follow traffic signals and you want to follow the speed. You definitely want to make sure you stay in a single line. If you have another rider next to you, you guys can end up colliding into each other and someone could get really hurt.
Well, okay, what else can I do?
Well, in addition to that, I see you're not wearing a helmet. I always recommend people should be wearing helmets. It'll keep you from suffering a serious head injury and getting seriously injured. But definitely if you're under the age of 16, you should be wearing a helmet at all times.
That's really good to know because I was thinking of taking my little brother out for a spin later.
Oh, how old's your little brother?
7.
Well, first of all, he'd have to be wearing a helmet. And secondly, these scooters, it's one person per scooter. You should never put 2 people on that scooter. If you were to go down, you could both get really, really hurt.
Oh, okay, I didn't know that. Well, what about riding my scooter at night?
Well, as far as your scooter goes, you need to put some reflective lights on there if you're going to be riding at night. You want to make sure other drivers and pedestrians can see you coming. In addition to that, when you're riding, you should also be wearing some type of reflective clothing or light clothing so that way they can see you as well.
Oh, okay, well, I was also thinking about using my AirPods to listen to music.
Actually, you should never wear any headphones, earbuds, or anything that's going to keep you from hearing. You want to make sure you can hear a car coming or you can hear somebody warning you, like, look out, watch out.
Wow, well, that's a lot of information. Where can I go to remember this all?
You can go to our city website at sibfl.net/scootsafe. All the rules are listed there. That'll guarantee that you will have an amazing time riding your scooter around the city, but you'll do it in a safe manner.
Wow, well, thank you so much for all this information. I would definitely be scooting safe from now on.
Absolutely. Have a great day.
You too.